Hello class 9, it is my sixth video of lesson 3 history, Nazism and rise of Hitler. In this particular video I will discuss with you about the system of Nazism or about the important features of Nazism. The Nazism which was established by Hitler in Germany, actually what was the idea of Nazism, what was the system of Nazism. It was told to you just after the Second World War, when the Nazism was established by Hitler in Germany. At that time, whatever views were spread by Hitler in Germany, that were unique. What were the ideas of Nazism? Here I have written Nazi worldview. Means Hitler saw the world according the views of the Nazism. Here I want to tell you, according to Hitler, no one is equal, and means there is no equality between the people. One is different from other, and that is why according to this view of Nazism, Hitler told about the racial hierarchy. What is the meaning of racial hierarchy? Hitler told that no one is equal or on the same place. Someone is on top, someone is in middle, and someone in bottom. And that is why according to this particular arrangement based on the race, Hitler told that the Nordic German Aryans, those who are blue colored eyes, fair color, are observed as the good as well as they will observe as in top. And according to this particular Nazism, Jews were placed in bottom, and other colored people placed in between. Between means top Nordic German Aryans, in bottom Jews, and the other colored people were in between, and they were observed in between, and they were according to their ability in the between. According to this particular Nazism, when we start to discuss about the Nazism, it was told that this particular racial hierarchy was itself telling that Hitler was not ready to accept each and everyone equal. And to discuss this particular racial hierarchy, two very important natural scientists were discussed. That name were Darwin and Herbert Spencer. These two were the natural scientists, and they told a very important view, survival of fittest. According to Herbert Spencer and Darwin, only those people can survive, those who can adopt the nature, and those who are powerful, only they can survive on the earth. And in this view, it was told that Nordic German Aryans are the powerful or the fittest on the earth, only they can survive, and the Jews cannot survive because they are not just like the Nordic Aryans or just like the fittest as the Nordic German Aryans. My dear student, here I am discussing about the views of Nazism or views of the Hitler. I will tell you some other concept of the Nazism, that is the concept of Lebensraum. What is the meaning of Lebensraum? Lebensraum means living space or new territories. According to Hitler, it is very essential that the German should occupy the new territory, and the Germans should go to that new territory and they should settle themselves in that territory. And then what will happen? The mother territory of Germany will increase. Wherever they will go, or wherever the German will go, they will spread the culture of German. And wherever the German will go, they will occupy the resource, and it will make Germany rich for resources, and it will spread the culture as well as the Nazism from Germany to other places. Now you may see that Hitler was ready to get or occupy the new places through war. And that is why the concept of Hitler was based on racial hierarchy as well as the Lebensraum. My dear student, now I will discuss with you the another topic of this particular chapter, establishment of racial state. I have told you that Hitler was not ready to give equal right to all races. That is why Hitler started to form a type of state, a type of Germany where there will be discrimination between the Nordic Aryans and others. That is why there was a type of establishment of a racial state. And Hitler told that only Nordic Aryans, those who are good in health, can live in the Germany, and they were observed as the desirable citizen of Germany, and others were observed as undesirable. They were Jews, they were gypsies. Gypsies were also a type of race, and they were the black colored people. They were observed as undesirable, and they should not live in Germany with the Nordic Aryans. And with this view of Nazism, a racial state was established by Hitler in Germany. Here I want to tell you that Jews were the arch enemy of the deep enemy of the Hitler. And to defame the Jews, various important things or views were related by Hitler with Jews. First of all, you know very well that for the end of Christ, the Jews were observed as a killer of Jesus Christ, and it made the Jews defame in Germany as well as in Europe. Actually, it was told that Jews are not able to get land. They will live only due to some trade activity and some other minor activity, because they were observed as inferior. And this particular Jews were also that they were the killer of Christ. And that is why this particular, or according to this particular views related to the Jews, Hitler told that the problem of Jews will be solved only and only of their total elimination. That is why Hitler started to terrorize them, and Hitler told to them that they should leave the Germany, or otherwise they will be sent in the gas chamber for killing. So it was the view of, or it were the views of Hitler related to Jews. And with these views, Hitler was trying to establish a type of racial state in Germany. My dear student, now you may see that it was the view of Nazism or Hitler on which the Nazism was established in the Germany. Now, according to this particular discussion, I will ask two questions from this discussion or in this video to you. Question number 1, explain the main features of the Nazi worldview. Here you will write that the Hitler or the Nazi worldview was not ready to give equal right to all. There was a racial hierarchy or there was a racial discrimination where the Germans were in top, Jews and others were in bottom or in mid. And then the theory of Herbert Spencer and Darwin or the concept of Lebensraum you will write in the Nazi worldview. And after then the second question which I will ask to you, who all were considered as undesirable by the Nazi and why? I have written these all were the undesirable and these all problems were related with the Jews and others. You have to write these all points in the second question. My dear student, you just write the answer of this question in your copy and you learn these answers also. And you also write or give your attendance by writing your name, class and section in comment box. Thank you very much.